the lives of my soldiers and policemen, I told them, you can go right ahead and shoot them. Huwag ninyong akong unahan. I went to Boracay. As a matter of fact, yung land lang likod ng Boracay, binigay ko sa mga natibo. And at this time, the land there is worth already $1 million. But there is a prohibition where it says that they cannot sell it within 10 years. But they can have it leased. So, walang expansion na yung mga... Kasi may mga ari na. Lahat ng public lands binigay ko sa mga native, mga 80.
So, to clarify, sir, it's only Negros Island that you're thinking of putting under land reform? Or
Well,